You don't have a vocabulary problem. You have a speaking practice problem. And today, I'll prove it. Have you memorized hundreds of vocabulary words, plenty of useful structures, and countless English expressions? Yet, you still can't speak English fluently, confidently, and naturally. When it comes to speaking, does your mind suddenly go blank? Do you struggle to express your thoughts even though you've studied English for years? If your answer is yes, you aren't alone. I also faced the same challenge. I used to memorize new words, advanced expressions, but whenever I tried to speak English, nothing came to my mind. It felt as if everything I have learned simply disappeared. So, what's the real problem? The problem is not a lack of vocabulary. The problem is a lack of speaking practice. Many learners spend months and even years memorizing words, but they don't use them in real conversations. They don't put them into practice. That's why they cannot speak English fluently. English is a skill, and like any skill, it improves only through consistent practice. Think about it this way: you can read hundreds of books about swimming, but you will never learn how to swim until you get into the water. The same applies to English. Stop focusing only on memorizing words more and more. Start using what you already know. Make mistakes. Record yourself. Talk to your friends. Describe your daily activities in English. Don't wait until your English becomes perfect. Remember, knowledge gives you potential and practice gives you fluency. The more you practice, the more confident you become. The more confident you become, the more fluent you sound. And I am completely sure that if you practice, you will become fluent speaker in the future.